So hey guys, welcome to the today's video. As you know, my name is Ramtin. I'm just a newbie in dropshipping, and I've been filming I've been documenting my journey, man, to the top. Because guys, I'm telling you, like in a couple of years, I'm gonna be successful at this shit, man. I know I'm not gonna do it. And you guys gonna be with me while my English is getting better. Like I'm learning how to upload videos and what kind of videos I'm gonna upload. Like, yeah, it's to try to make it interesting, guys. So I'm gonna do my best. I promise you, I will get better. So as you guys know, I started know about dropshipping for with the YouTube video that I saw a couple of months ago, and since then, that's the only thing I've been doing, man. Every day, 24/7. Because I love it. I love this shit, and now I'm gonna be good at it. So I started my first dropshipping store as a baby niche, as a baby product. And then yeah, so basically what I did today was planning my day. So what I'm gonna do today. And like the first thing I did today was listen to some motivational videos, and I watched the video of Kamil Sattar, the ecom king. Yeah, that guy's man, that guy's a dream, man. He's been doing it for a long time, and I can relate to him too much from his story as mine. It's too much, it's relatable. So yeah, his video is called how this dropshipping, like how this awful dropshipping store make like a 7 figures in revenue, and he goes how did they get it, like how did they do it, like the store looked like shit basically, and they did over $1 million in revenue, guys. And that was like so interesting to me, like how did they do it though. And he just break it down to how did they do it. And you guys just basically can go to the Shopify, what's the name, Shopify Exchange Marketplace. And in this website you guys can see like the other Shopify stores, 7 figures, 6 figures, that they are trying to sell their websites, after like they scale it, or when they're on top they try to sell it. So basically you guys can go to the website and check all these successful Shopify stores and see what they did, and you guys can replicate it. You guys can do like, okay, this is how the good dropshipping store looks like, so I'm gonna try to make my website look like that. And that's gonna be a great help, like to see how they did their ads, what kind of method they use, like I don't know, there's a couple of methods you can use with your video ads. And there's a method that like you get a bunch of you send your product to a bunch of influencers and tell them to make a review product, and you put all of these scenes of these different influencers in one video to make sure like, yeah, my product is so viral, everybody is using it. And the other one is the band-aid formula. So what you do is like, first you show what the problem is, and then you show your product that's going to be solve that problem, guys. Then I'm going to give you a method that you can use. There is a Chrome extension called Koala Inspector. And what this Chrome extension does is that when you go to the Shopify store and use this Chrome extension, it's gonna tell you what apps they're using, what kind of theme are they using. I'm gonna show you guys shit is in here, as you can see, like this. So guys, yeah, easy as that. Yes, so that's what you do. So I decided to do this like every day. Like every day I have a goal, like to check one successful Shopify store and analyze what they did, so I can learn and applicate it like to my future dropshipping stores, because this is just my first one, and I already did like 6 or 7 sales. So that's kind of good. I already did like $300, and I have been profitable. But guys, like I'm not doing any promotions. I'm just like, today I'm just doing organic stuff. So what I do is I go to the hashtags. Hashtags are related to my product. Like if you're selling, I don't know, dog stuff, you go to the hashtag dogs, or I don't know, man, hashtag pugs or something like that, and basically you go to the hashtags and you reply to the all the recent posts that you see, like, yeah, what a beautiful dog. So the customer gonna see the comment, because they don't used to get too many comments, guys. Now don't go to the top hashtags, go to the recent ones. Yeah, so they're gonna come to the profile and check out, like, if they're interested or not. So you're just basically getting free traffic, but it's time consuming. And what we all do have, like, when we don't have money, we have time, guys. So just spend the time and do that. I do that basically every day for 2 or 3 hours or something like that, and I get, like, yeah, promising results. Not too many sales, but the people still reply to my comments, come to my profile, like my pictures, maybe sometimes follow me. So that's better than nothing, you know. And sometimes, like, I do go to the other, like, competitors profiles, and I follow the people that like their posts, and each people that follow me back, I text them this template: hey, love your profile, I see that you're interested in our brand, here's a 50% coupon code you can use to use on your next purchase. Be careful, be careful, this coupon is gonna last for 24 hours or 48 hours. So basically I'm adding some scarcity, you know, to get them to go to the site and buy it. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I did this with like 100 or 200 people, and all of that people, I just got one sale. So it's gonna take time, guys. You have to be patient, you know, you have to be patient. And I'm currently uploading like 2 3 content every day on my Instagram, and my Instagram is beginning to gain some traction, you know. It's getting good, you know, it's getting good. But yeah, my last promotion that I did with it is one of these meme pages. I got 4 sales there, you know. That was pretty profitable. But right now I have money to go to promote like other pages in other meme pages, but I'm currently saving that, because today one of the influencer, like real influencer, that she have 3 babies. Like, I sent the product to her, we wrote the contract, I transferred the money, I sent the product to her, so she's gonna film some content for me, she's gonna put it on her gram. And that content, like, I didn't tell her what to do, I just told her, like, just do you. Because one thing I realized with Instagram, like, it's not like Facebook ads, you know. You can't put the video you do on Facebook in Instagram. And guys, I haven't done Facebook ads yet, but I paid somebody in Fiverr to make me some video ads for $35. So I told him, like, I want a video with 3 different startups, 3 different hooks. Like, the rest of the video is the same, but 4 or 5 seconds of the video is different. So I can test it, like, in Facebook creatives, like when I want to test which one is working best. But I haven't go to the Facebook, because I know that's risky, because I don't know shit about that. I have seen many courses, many people talk about it, but I think I'm gonna start up better by Instagram, because when you install the Facebook pixel on your Instagram, Facebook pixel on your Shopify store, guys, sorry, yeah, so each time the customer goes and buys something from you from Instagram or from another app, Facebook pixel gonna get that. So when you get like 10 or 20 sales, you don't need to go to your ad is kind of seasoned. So your pixel is kind of seasoned, so the pixel gonna know what kind of people that buy, so you can just make it look like audiences, or yeah, so people like that. So you're gonna be one step further. You don't need to set that much money on Facebook, because you already that have got that data from the Instagram. So yeah, man, I thought the Instagram is a good start for me, and I'm doing Instagram currently. So she's gonna make a content for my product, and gonna take it one day or something like that. And after she posts it, I'm gonna see how it do. And from the content she makes, I'm gonna make my advertisement with that. I'm gonna go to the meme pages with that new content, because in Instagram, as like in meme pages, as soon as people that follow the meme pages see that they are posting like something, they're posting yeah, they're posting like video advertisement, just skip it, you know, because they're also like used to it, you know. So but with this video influencer, this not gonna be like video ad, it's gonna be kind of like people are talking about the product, so it's gonna make them stay and see, like, yeah, what she's talking about, you know. It's not just, yeah, get yours now, buy now, shop shop now 30% off, guys. So I'm gonna test it to see how it goes, you know. And if it's not successful, I don't fucking care, guys. I'm just gonna continue and go. I'm just gonna move on and do my thing, you know. It's okay. No, nobody have been successful in first month or first year or second year. I don't care. I just love the journey, man. I'm just gonna go continue. So what I recommend you guys is like be patient as I am. You know, guys, I haven't have any success, man. My goal is like get 1,000 in revenues, and it's like, yeah, that's cool, man. You know. So yeah, that's it. Like, watch some Gary Vee videos about marketing. You know, that dude is huge, man. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see how it goes. Peace.